Hello. In today's meditation, we will make ourselves superstars of our lives. Before we start, please sit or lie down in a comfortable position. We'll start with deep breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now you can close your eyes. Take deep breaths again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Imagine you are standing on a stage right now. It is dark, but a white spotlight illuminates you from above. You can't see anything, but you can hear the voice of the crowd. Suddenly, you see your whole body glowing. You are shining. All of a sudden, your front is getting brighter, and now you can see the crowd more clearly. So many people came to see you. You are shining more. And now, you see a white light radiating from your chest towards the crowd. The more the light spread, the more people started shouting. What a nice feeling. They all admire you. They all want to talk to you. It is so nice. Now you are a superstar. You get the attention that you want. Now, take your white light and become a magnet. Feel all the attention flowing towards you. Now I'm counting to 10 and feel your gravity as you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can open your eyes. Thanks for listening. If you like this meditation, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.